Hello students, this is the tutorial video of how to access recorded live class from YouTube. First of all, open Google Chrome and in address bar type vjbschool.in. The home screen of the website will appear. Now you click on Student Corner. Here you find online classes. So class-wise list will appear. Choose your class and choose your subject to watch the recorded live class. For an example, class 9 maths. As you click, the YouTube channel will open. At the right side, the list of the live classes will appear. You can scroll it down and click on any video to watch the entire class. You can change the quality by clicking on setting button and then quality. To change the subject, click on back button and you will be redirected to the home page of the website. Now you can choose your another subject. This time it is Math class 7. Click here to see the video in full screen. In this way, you can access the videos from YouTube directly.